Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when still I make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up my clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active, you fi join.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be making a simple shrimp dish that my mom makes all the time. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So as you can see, the shrimp, I removed the tails. I've already washed it, so now I'm just going to season it. I'm going to add some Goya all-purpose seasoning. Some Mrs. Dash original blend, some Creole seasoning, and oops, wrong one, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And from here, I'm just going to rub the seasoning in. And you can use raw shrimp or cooked shrimp. It's all up to you, but the steps will be a little bit different if you're using the cooked shrimp. Alright, so now I'm going to prepare all my seasonings, my natural seasonings, that is. Alright, y'all, so our scallion, onion, garlic, bell pepper, thyme, and habanero pepper, well, Scotch bonnet pepper, is ready to go. And if you are not a spice person, you do not have to add any pepper at all. Alright, to your pot, just go ahead and add some butter. And then add all your seasonings. And you don't want to make the stove too high or your garlic is going to burn. Okay, so I'm going to add some water. And to the water, I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose, just a little bit. And some adobo seasoning. Just going to add a little bit more water and cover and allow it to cook some more. Alright, y'all, so now that the liquid is reduced, to where I want it to be, I'm going to add the shrimp. And now I'm just going to cover and allow it to simmer. Alright, so the only step that is a little bit different, if you're using the shrimp that is already cooked, after you add it, it would probably be in there for maybe a minute or less, and then you would turn it off. But since this shrimp is not cooked, it's going to be cooked for a little bit longer.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.